السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. معاكم مسز منال ريان، والنهاردة هنبدأ كورس الجرامر level 1. Let's start. الكتاب اللي هنستخدمه my first grammar. Okay. Let's start with the alphabet. Say the alphabet together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is the alphabet, okay? These are the capital letters. Capital letters start with uppercase. These are the small letters. Small letters start with lowercase, okay? We have two kinds of letters, consonants and vowels. These are the consonants. Vowel, we have five vowel letters, A, E, I, O, U. Happy birthday to you. A, E, I, O, U. Happy birthday to you. Vowel letters. These are the vowel letters. Let's keep going with the numbers from 20, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. These are the numbers. These are the numbers, sorry. Count capital letters. This is the first exercise, okay? Count how many capital letters. Let's count only the capital letters, okay? Let's use this kind of, okay? Okay, let's capital only, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, they are 8 capital letters. Count small letters. Let's count how many small letters are there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. These are 16 letters. 16 letters. Count vowels. Let's count only vowel letters. Okay, let's see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 vowel letters. Okay, let's count how many consonant sound. How many consonant letters. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20. Yes, they are 20. Okay, let's make circles around the right answers. Okay, so there are 16 small letters, and there are 5 vowels, and there are 20 consonant letters. Okay, color the vowels. We're gonna color the vowel letters. Vowel letters, okay? Vowel only letters. Okay, color the vowels. I, this is a vowel. O is a vowel. O also is a vowel. Okay, color only is a vowel letters. E and A. What else? I, O, O, A, U, U, E, A. Okay, we're gonna color only the vowel letters. We're gonna match the capital with the small. A capital, A small. Okay, we're gonna use the pencil. B capital, which one is B small? Yes, it's easy example. It's easy and it's an easy exercise. Okay, we're gonna make it B with B. D, this is letter D. E, yes, this is letter E. J, G, J. Oh, J, where's the J? Get, where's G, where's the G? H, where's H? Q, where's Q? R, with letter R. N, with letter N. This match the capital letter with a small letter. Okay, so we have capital letters, we have small letters. We have consonant letters, and we have vowel letters. Okay. Circles of vowels. We're gonna circle only the vowel letters. Okay, circle only the vowels. A and E. What also is vowel? O here. What also is vowel? Circles a consonant. We're gonna circle only the consonant, not vowel. We're gonna circle the consonant. B and N. I don't know. This is 8. This is number 8. So E. These are the consonant. Okay. N, R, S. These are the consonant. Okay. Here circles the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Here circles the consonant letters. Okay. We finished lesson 1. Goodbye. Keep going at the second video. See you soon.